Hi, welcome to lesson 21 of Excel. My name is Sophie and I'm going to be your trainer for today. So for now, what we're going to go through, or rather in the previous session, let's always revisit whatever that we have learned. In the previous session, what we've covered is mainly on talking about the chart title and also resizing the chart. Now we are going to learn how to apply value data labels on the chart. Now, what is actually value data labels? Value data labels are numbers in which we are applying on the chart. So for instance, let's say if we would like the numbers to be on the chart, how do we go about it? Now, anything to do with the chart, we click on the chart area. Now, once we click on the chart area, now when it asks you for value data labels, it's basically understanding that, okay, for example, food, there's 410. So it is for easy reference. Now, notice that when I click on the chart area, okay, the whole thing is highlighted, right? There will be a extra special tab that says the word chart tools. Then you can see the word design, layout, and format. If I don't click on the chart tools won't appear. So I have to click on the chart area for it to appear. Now, value data labels belongs to layout. Now, once I go to layout, where do I go? Data labels. Once I go to data labels, alright, this is where I can choose any of the position for the data labels to be in. So for example, if I would like it to be on top, alright, okay, let's say inside end. Click on it. You notice that the numbers are in the inside end. Okay, so this is what it means by value data labels. Now, let's say if I don't want the position to be as such. So I go to the data labels again, layout data labels. Let's say I want it to be outside end. Click on it. Ta-da! Notice that the numbers on the outside. So this is more about value data labels. Okay, now there is also another thing in which, okay, we can talk about in this particular video. Now, we can also talk about the colors. So if you notice, okay, the first thing that we need to understand about the colors is the changing the background area color. Now, the background chart area color is white. But let's say if I would like to change it to a different color, what should I do? Now, first things first, anything to do with the chart, we click on the chart area. So when I click on the chart area, the whole chart is highlighted. Okay, now once the whole chart is highlighted, where do I go next? Now, so do you notice in the home tab, do you remember what's this pale here? This is what we call the background color. So I click on the drop down list, choose any color that I want. So let's see if I want yellow, click on it, and the background color is that. Now the careless mistake is this. Now remember, they want chart background color area, not the plot area. So if you were to click the plot area and you see this, it's wrong. So you must really click on the chart background area color. Okay? Alright, great. So now, but let me just try to explain to you why is it wrong. Okay, so if I go to the plot area, so this is not the correct one, right? Go to this drop down list, it changes the color. Okay, now, so if you were to answer this for the background area color, it's wrong. So bear in mind that you are supposed to click where? Chart area. So do see the word clearly, chart background area. Okay, alright, now the next question that they can ask you about color is changing the color of the column. Yes, sorry about that. Now, anything to do with column, we must click on the column. Yes, so click on it once. Now, notice what happens when you click on it once. There are bubbles on each column. Now, once there are bubbles on each column, where do we go next? In the home tab, we can go to the pale. So, click on the drop down list, choose any color that you want. Okay, then click on it, and then that's it. Now, the careless mistake here again, I must emphasize. When we click on the column, click on it once, not twice. Once. So when you click on it once, the bubbles must be noticed on all of the columns. Now, if you accidentally click on it one more time, bubbles only appear on that particular column. So this is where, when I click on the drop down list, the color changes only for the first one. That's not correct. They want it for all of the columns. So bear that in mind. Okay, so in this video, what have we discussed so far? Value data labels, the background color, and also the colors of the columns. Alright, okay, so I hope you learned a lot, and thank you for watching.